I'm a proud Dixie Belle Paint retailer.
I'm an elite retailer, Dixie Belle Paint.
Dixie Belle Paint retailer.
A premier retailer now for Dixie Belle.
I'm super excited to be part of the Dixie Belle Paint family, and we are now officially a premier retailer.
Absolutely love being one of their retailers.
Dixie Belle retailer.
I am a Dixie Belle retailer.
Dixie Belle retailer.
I'm proud to be a retailer of a USA-based paint brand, Dixie Belle.
Dixie Belle retailer.
Retailer, Dixie Belle Paint retailer.
We're super excited to be part of the Dixie Belle family, and we're now officially a premier retailer.
I love being part of the Dixie Belle family.
One of the coolest things I think about being a Dixie Belle retailer is the amount of support that I get from the actual company itself.
They have the most amazing customer service for both their customers and their retailers.
They are so professional and so knowledgeable and such leaders, yet they are warm, inviting, and accepting at the same time.
I use all of Dixie Belle's products. I am literally obsessed.
It is the best paint on planet Earth. It's easy to use, it's affordable, it's made in the USA.
There's no comparison on all three lines. They are phenomenal paint.
I love having the best quality products to offer to my customers.
They go through the full testing process and make sure the products are amazing.
As a retailer, I get to share with Dixie Belle my thoughts on products, and more importantly, they give us 1,000% support through marketing and other opportunities.
One of my favorite things about being a Dixie Belle retailer are the free classes, because when you're knowledgeable about the products, they're an easy sell.
It gives me the opportunity to have a second career, earn some income, and at the same time be creative and help my customers learn about new products, new colors that are coming out, how we can help them with the project and answer any questions that they have.
I tell people all the time, I have found my family with Dixie Belle, my extended family with Dixie Belle. We are friends from all over the world, and I truly do love it.
That's one thing about Dixie Belle is I can definitely stand behind it and know it's top quality.